If your '88 Ford Ranger is stuck in the driveway, the culprit is usually one of 5 classic electrical or fuel issues. Over 30% of no-start conditions on these older Rangers trace back to a failed thick-film ignition module. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find out exactly why your truck isn't firing up. Before grabbing tools, check your fuel pump inertia switch in the passenger footwell to ensure it hasn't tripped. The TFI module on the side of the distributor is notorious for failing due to heat once it gets old. '88 models often use a two-pump system, so verify that both the frame rail and in-tank pumps are getting power. If the truck starts briefly on starting fluid, you have a fuel problem. If not, look toward your ignition system. Most of these parts are affordable and can be replaced in your driveway with basic hand tools. If basic checks fail, use a paperclip to blink out the OBD1 codes from the diagnostic connector. Always keep a spare TFI module and the specific thin wall socket in your glove box for emergency repairs. Remember, these engines are simple. Focus on the basics of air, fuel, and spark before replacing expensive computers. Check those connections and that inertia switch first, and you will be back on the road in no time.